Oh, here we go. Jarrod Comptom. Okay, the key is. Oh, dude, did you lose your keys too?
Jarrod Comptom. Oh no. You know what it was? My phone did it the other day. It's that new iOS update.
It's the new iOS update.
My phone did it the other day.
I don't know. I don't understand this. There's a lot of weird things happening tonight. I saw flame.
What?
I saw a flame out of the tailpipe. I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say he's a flamer.
Oh, okay. Okay, I know where you're going with that. No more of that. You have to stop.
Hey! We're in a blue state. You can't judge me.
I was so excited for Jarrod Comptom. He goes upside down already for some $100 bonus, and he won't make it for round number 2. I want you guys to get loud proud for Jarrod Comptom.